Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, brown color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A for apple, A for ant, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids now draw B for ball, B for bat, the alphabets of B, and use blue color. Kids now draw C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use yellow color. Kids now draw D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use green color. Kids now draw E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use brown color. Kids now draw numbers, and first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use black color. O and E1. Kids again use black color and draw 2, the numbers of 2, T, W or 2. Kids now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use red color. Kids now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use blue color. Kids now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use yellow color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw shapes, and first you draw square, the shape of square, and use green color. Kids now draw circle, the shape of circle, and use brown color. Kids now draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use black color. Kids now draw heart, the shape of heart, and use red color, red color. The shape of heart. Kids, lastly, draw star. The shape of star. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shapes square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.